We're up to Perek Daled, Oslami Beis, in the Derech Orchos Chaim version of the Derech Zuta. Pichashlo Siper Lashon Hara Aleh Yargu Kobal Hemeriva. Your mouth, which never spoke Lashon Hara, it's going to kill all the people who are argumentative, who strike up quarrels. On base, Lashon Hara Regas Usulas. Lashon Hara kills other people. Fishalosas are people. Since you didn't speak Lashon Hara, La Arukh HaShulchan to kill others. Okay, I'm not sure that that's the great reward that the Bible, that you refrain from Lashon Hara looking for, that to slay the people who are Bali Meriva. We'd much rather, but this sounds like Rameir, not like Bruria. Yeah, we say Yitamu. It seems like Yitamu Chotim V'lo Chatoim. That those people killed, not their sins be killed. I think years ago I heard, I don't know if this is true, that they say that Munkach Rebbe cursed, I think the Germans, whoever it was, who were German Jews, who were not keeping the Torah mitzvahs properly. So they asked him, "What about Bruya?" Who says he's supposed to have that they not that the chotim should be eliminated, but the chatoim. So the Minchas Elazar said, "Who's saying Paskin like Bruya?" It's right, Mayor Bruya. I love a grand mayor. I'm gonna give people shasik b'teira. If you do the mountains on Torah, Aleha, he's baruch kobali bracha. That will add brachas to people who are mevorach. I'm give a picha v'chuli. Yad Hashem lo katzom erik b'yachosam but midim because he's rom beinef sake. Hashem would constantly want to give out bracha. Yosem miya'ega rotzalina kapor rotzalanik. More than the calf wants to nurse, the cow wants to nurse it. But there's the problem is that the people, the recipients, are not worthy. They haven't prepared themselves properly to receive this great flow. Hashem is not strong in God. They think everything is just based on nature, without divine providence. So how is this a remedy? Your mouth, which is involved in the Torah, about Torah, Evan Shoeves, the Torah is a magnet. And Hagas Hashgacha Ayrev. It's a magnet which draws the Hashgacha of HaKadosh Baruch Hu on those who fear Him. It's interesting the way he puts it. Aidezes Baruch Hu Kobali Bracha. This brings a bracha to people who are suitable for bracha. Shebezeh Sisa Chana Ruya. With this, you made the proper preparation. The Shivas Berachos Baruch for the flow of Hashem's bracha to flow. Shleimus Hatzlos is the perfection of success. Ubimnia Sarah is by curtailing bad, and attaining good. That's why it says both of them back to back here in Lam Beis Lam Gimel. I love Yargu Kabal Miriva. All the people who are antagonistic will be destroyed. That's curtailing the evil. He's Baruch Hu, Kol Bali Bracha, and that all people who are suitable for bracha will get it. But Sagas Hatov to attain good. Kol he's Baruch Hu, Kol Bali Bracha, but even Lach. The interpretation is that all those people who are bracha means all those people who are good for you will be blessed. Okay, Lamadal, your dechol sheshamati migezel, your hands you curtailed from theft. What will armed bandits be able to do to you? Since you preserve your hands away from theft. They will not be able to steal from you because mida you will be protected. Your hands you're not curtailed for giving stock. I'm sorry, I read it before wrong. What wicked people do to you. So you refrain from wickedness, you don't get punished by wicked. You don't get that's susceptible to wicked people. Which is not wicked. It's not that you refrain from being wicked, but rather you refrain from curtailing what aniyim should get. So then. What's going to be Mida Kenegania, you're going to say from Bali Zra, not specifically people who are wicked, but people who are tough guys. Lamed Hey, Yadech v'chul commission is b'yabaran l'mala. I explained above. Everything there is the absence of evil, but tov and doing good. Zel yodchot sheshamad because of your hand, which you kept from stealing. Hainu heder siyasara, the absence of doing bad. So other people won't be able to do bad things to you. But your hand, you're not curtailed for giving tzedakah. You didn't stop from doing good. So he explains that by Zroa Shator Zroa Hainu Shochel Ativ Rak Baal Zroa, interesting, has a powerful arm. Where it is, it's sure say I'm blanking. Okay, even so Zroa is not a negative, kind of neutral. It can do good. But sometimes he could refrain from doing favors for people who are smaller and lower for him besides Rogodlo because his arm is not just capable but also is arrogant. Since you can talk on the observer Shavel to degrade people, okay, what are those people going to be do to you? They can't look down on you, they have to do good for you. Gam osam shem bizragonam. Whatever, okay. So interesting, Zra, which not something much more negative, he says, is the capacity to give from those who have greatness to those who are less great. And of course, he's saying that the person who gives tzedakah, just like he gives, so the Bali Zora, even though they might normally curtail themselves from paying attention to lower people, to him they'll give. Okay, but here it says in the Orchos Chaim, it says, you have the arm with the strength. To oz yodcha, your hand should become fortified. Your right hand should be uplifted. Because roa is gavas hashpa satov imagvura. Chazor means you have the pride of doing good. Imagvura with the strength, the courage, to disrupt and eliminate with your gvura. B'gosecha tov. Gavas hashpa. Gosecha tov secha. Chazor gavas hashpa satov. In Gvura, L'shalom Magir V'Zcha Hatov Asher L'Zul Asecha. So it says Chazra in Gvura. I guess is saying that you're going to give mightily, but also curtail from those who deserve to have a curtail. Not sure what he's saying. So the left is powerful hand, and the right hand is uplifting hand. Okay. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Your legs should not have the Islam Vav. Your legs do not take you to Varavera. What control does Malacham Bavis have for you? Says he never went willingly to Aver. What can you do? He won't be able to come after you. Only when your end is nigh. As explained above. Listen, I warned you. Now it's up to you. Do what you want. But I warned you. That's fascinating. Okay, it says Derech Chaim. Dvarim Vishu Siyam Masechles. Since it's the end of the Masechta, Simin Tov Mazel Tov. Shachar is that Prokim Hema Mimachs Avitri. We have plenty of Prokim left. But they're from Machs Avitri, not from the original source. I warn you now, you have a choice. It's possible to say the these things which you explained here are not halachas. Shalom based on Kufalim, the basic can compel them. Shem Rakim Midas Chasidus, most of them are just Midas Chasidus. Lachem is saying, they have a conclude, Shalom Ati Adinim Lo Kufalim. I'm not compelling you anything here. Like crazy B'chalim, they're not halachas, they're midos. I warn you, L'diacha Hechsher, Koshim in your name, will tell you what's best in those matters. Umasha Tirtzeh, Taseh, Shein Kofim Midas Chasidus. We can't compel you to do Midas Chasidus. Then it says, at the end here, it says, I think it means the prakim which are coming up, not the ones which we just had, but the prakim which are coming up, starting with Perek Hamishi.